Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to 5 Minute Solution. In today's video, I'll show you how to see and delete all your sent friend requests on Facebook. But before we getting started, make sure to leave a like in this video, subscribe to this channel and also turn on notification by pressing the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's go straight into the video. So basically, you need to open your Android phone or iOS and open Facebook app. If you're using desktop, you simply can open it on desktop. So now go to on friends tab. Now if you click on that, now here you will be able to see all of your friend requests that are on pending. You need to confirm them, so you need to click on the three dot you can see on the screen. Now click on view sent request. Now here you can see there are lots of these are the people actually I have sent friend requests, so I want to cancel all of them. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can check out whom all of your sent friend requests, and also most probably you don't want to be on someone pending list, so yeah, let's just cancel it. Okay, so this is how you can do it, and I hope you guys understood how you can do this. Now if you guys have any kind of question regarding this video, and feel free to ask anything in the comment section below, and if you guys have any kind of question, or if you want to know about some other tricks or tutorials, feel free to ask in the comment section. We will try to upload them, and stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution.